lahat nung natikman ko masarap. Dahil siguro dun sa pinaka-dome.
Yes, I agree. I agree.
Sabi nga nung kasama ko, mas masarap dun sa, mas masarap to dun sa...
Nono, Kabalin! Welcome to Fernando Pampanga!
Yes, for today's vlog, another donut house ang pupuntahan natin dito sa may San Fernando, Pampanga.
Guys, this is Nono's Donut. Napaka-swerte po namin. This is a proud Kapampangan brand and magsisimula na siya mag-serve sa atin. Guys, if you wanna know more about it, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright guys, so sneak peek, this is how it looks like dito po sa loob ng Nono's Donuts. And we're gonna be sharing tables with Sir Jun ng Food Trip sa Norte. So good to see you here, Sir Jun. And ito yung mga options natin for the donuts. Ito yung mga selections natin for the donuts. We have our table ready. Ready na rin si Mark.
Pili mga different types of donut na pwede natin pagpilihan sa loob.
So let's get it on, guys. So guys, basahin natin yung kanilang mga menu para alam natin kung ano ba yung mga orderan ninyo dito bago pa kayo makapunta. So these are their premium donuts. Meron po tayong gleaming glaze, whipped Oreo Wonder, meron ding milk and cheese dream, peanut biscoff bite, double choco delight, very delicious cheese thrill, fluffy floss fantasy FFF. Meron din tayong cheesy overload at saka mango crunch, and lastly yung dusted berry dream. So another batch of their premium donuts. Meron din tayong almond amore, which is their best seller. Ito din tayong sweet Bavarian crunch, rainbow crunch, coffee crunch, choco caviar creation, choco caramel glaze, melty marshmallow, at saka yung so matcha love. Kagandahan dito guys, as low as 30 pesos for the, the glaze, and an average of 40 to 50 pesos naman dun sa kanilang mga premium donuts. I'll go for the glaze. Ito yung isa sa mga best seller nila guys. Look at this. Yeah. So meron pa pala siyang feeling.
Siyempre, tingnan natin yung kanilang pinagmamalaking biscuit. Maliban sa mga donuts, syempre meron din tayong mga refreshers dito. So meron tayong mga hot coffees, non-coffees, teas, meron tayong mga ice, frap, and syempre yung mga gusto ko, refreshers. This one, I think this is a lemonade. One of their best seller, almond amore.
Yung nagustuhan mo dito sa mga natry mo, bro?
Siguro lahat nung natikman ko masarap. Dahil siguro dun sa pinaka-dome.
Yes, I agree. I agree.
Sabi nga nung kasama ko, mas masarap dun sa, mas masarap to dun sa pinaka-nagustuhan ko, yung coffee crunch.
Coffee crunch.
Masarap. Meron siyang parang chocolate, coffee flavor, and yung pinaka-toppings niyang crunchy.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi siya nakakaumay. Siguro kahit mga 12 piraso na kaya ko.
Ako nakatatlo pa lang ako guys, pero sobrang bigat nila. Sabi nga ni Sir Jun, yung pinaka-dough nila guys, brioche ang tawag nila doon. Dito, bread pa lang guys, masarap
Hindi
na.
talaga yung nagdala.
Actually.
Parang sa pizza, pag masarap yung pinaka-dough niya, no?
I agree. So there you have it guys, if you're looking for an alternative to your usual donuts, guys, Nono's Donuts is the place to be. So grabe, brioche buns, brioche doughs. Eh, dun pa lang, patok na bro.
Same time, meron kang 16 flavors na pagpipilian. So, hindi ka talaga magsasawa. And marami kang option.
Alright.
So, Nono's Donut is located dito lang sa may San Isidro, Quindiawan.
Along MacArthur Highway.
Yes, along MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And they're open from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday.
Come
1
here
hour.
earlier, bros. Yeah.
Kasi minsan kasi sold out sila na mas maaga. So, mas maaga kayo pumunta, mas marami kayo pagpipilian.
Alright, there have guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye, guys.
Donuts for takeout.
Nice. Nono.
Thank you, Nonos!
Behind the scenes, guys, si Sir Jun from Food Trip sa Norte. Ganito niya ginagawa yan.
Please like, post, and brand on Spotify